Hey everyone, Steve Janowski here with the RV Factory in Elkhart, Indiana. Today I'm excited to get the opportunity to bring to you our brand new Luxe Gold. The Luxe Gold is a product that we developed last year. We introduced it at the Hershey show, and it's finally ready to come out to the masses. We've had it on our website for a little while, so if you've been watching this, you've seen some of our floor plans on it, but this is really the first time we're going to kind of get in depth onto what it is, what makes it different, unique to us, and why we feel it's a great entry into the market and the segment it's going to create for us. It's very exciting. So the Luxe Gold, here it is. A lot of the things you've come accustomed to with us and the quality you expect is right here in this Luxe Gold product. As you can see today in Elkhart, Indiana, it's beautiful. It's very cold, a lot of snow, but this unit has performed very well. We'll go on the inside in just a little bit and take a peek around, and the temperature is just fine on the inside. So, but the exterior, the Luxe Gold, as you can see, it's a fully fiberglass, one-piece fiberglass cap. This is actually a painted front cap. This happens to be just a regular graphics coach, but we do paint the front caps. It's a wraparound cap. You'll notice that. It's a great function, great fit and finish, and really does make sure that the unit wears well and is very functional as well going down the road. So one of our staples is this front cap construction and the way the front cap looks. So it's easy to tell that it's a Luxe Gold coming down the road. As always, we use our Motorride hitch pin suspension, or excuse me, our Motorride hitch pin. That is a great hitch to pull with. It complements everything very well because we use the whole Motorride suspension on these coaches. So it will have the Kodiak disc brakes that we use on it. Make sure that we use the Motorride suspension as well. This comes standard with the 8,000-pound axles. You can upgrade obviously to the independent suspension if you want on these Luxe Golds. So a lot of versatility within what we're doing and to try to fit with what you're trying to accomplish when you buy a fifth wheel and tow a fifth wheel. But as we walk down this way a little bit, one of the things we're going to get into is the construction philosophy of this coach. This is unique for us. This is a fully laminated sidewall. We spent a lot of time, a lot of energy researching this, and we wanted to make sure that anything we put on here would adhere to the construction philosophy and quality that we're accustomed to, and we've done it with this wall. This is a 3-inch vacuum bond laminated wall, and on the inside of that is a piece of 2-inch carbide infused block foam. This foam performs 20% better than any other foam out there, and we feel like the R values on this wall are going to complement and not probably outperform anything else that's out there. So we are very excited about this. We spent a lot of time and energy to research this product, to make sure we had all the right components, and so far it's got rave reviews, and it is outperformed what we anticipated as well. But not a lot of room in here, so we're going to make the outside of this a little bit quick. We'll try to get some more details about the outside of the coach as we go on. Selfishly, I'm just cold and I want to get inside because I'm excited also about the inside. But everything that you would anticipate and expect from our products is right here on this one as well. We always make sure we've put some coolers in here, some tables and chairs. We wanted to show you the great capacity this has. We always have great basement pass-through storage here to give you plenty of room to store all of your things. Put a nice TPO down here as well. But also we put this nice bulb seal, the butyl seal around here, as well as the dual slam latch technology, so to make sure that everything that's supposed to be in there stays in there, and everything that's supposed to be out here stays out here. We have the light in here as well, so make sure it's nice and lit. Easy access panels to behind here for all of your functions and features you may need to get to for any serviceability type of things, as well as just being nice and easy and convenient to get to things, nice and lit. And as you can see, we've got 3 big totes, a huge cooler in here, tables, chairs, carpets, and still have plenty of room to put more things in here. We passed our LP tanks. We have, once again, 2 40-pound LP tanks that are standard on this coach to make sure they have plenty of heat and all the LP for all the things you're going to need. As always, we have our Jensen outside stereo on here. It's Bluetooth capable. The speakers up there, great sound, great quality. And great time for if you're going to be camping out and enjoying the outside under your big awning here that we can't put out because we're right next to this other unit. But a lot of great things on the outside, but more importantly, where we made a lot of different changes on this unit is on the inside. So I'd like to take you inside and show you the inside changes right now. Well, we're inside now, the Luxe Gold. and it's much nicer in here than it was outside just a little bit ago. I got the fireplace going, the heat's on. We're very comfortable inside this. Right now, we are in our Luxe Gold 38 GLS series. This series is really nice for a few reasons. As we walk through the floor plan, you'll see it's got a nice separation, and some of our customers like that separation between the bedroom and the living area. But while we were outside, before I get into all the floor plan features, but while I was outside, I mentioned something about the sidewalls and the construction and why we feel this is so important. Once again, I mentioned it's a 3-inch vacuum bond laminated wall with a graphite infused foam that we put on the inside, and this is very unique in the industry. This is the normal foam that you would see. It's usually about 1.5 inches. It's white foam. As you can tell, it's very easy for me to push down and create some marks in there, some indentation. And this is the actual thicknesses of the foam. You can see the differences between the two. This block foam is very dense, and it actually, the way it diverts the air as the air penetrates or gets to it, it actually diffuses the air instead of something like this that it passes right through. So we did a lot of research to make sure that when we put something in the sidewall that it was going to really work well. And we feel we've come up with something here that's really great. So we're excited about it, and this is what would become standard in every sidewall in Luxe Gold. So that's a little bit more about the insulation properties and the sidewall. Now the interior. So what we've done is, if you followed the RV factory, we used to have a product line called the Ambition. A lot of our floor plans are the exact same as the Ambition. The good news was we went to a straight line roof on the top, so there's no more break in the back. So now this roof is straight line across. We kept the side box height the same, which allowed us to do one of the other things that's really great about the Luxe Gold, and that is our attic storage up above. So anybody that's going to be spending some time in these coaches who's asked us on a consistent basis, hey, any place you can put storage, put storage. Well, good news. We have found a place to put a lot of storage. And as you look up above here with the attic storage, everybody, I talk to a lot of people and they'll say, well, that's really high. Well, yeah, consider it just like the attic storage at your house. You're going to put things up there that you wouldn't normally do on a day-to-day basis. Your maybe seasonal clothing, shoes, boots, that type of stuff, blankets, well, anything up there that you're not maybe not going to get to necessarily on a day-to-day basis. But you've got the storage there, certainly if you need it. And then we didn't skimp. We kept the storage that we used to have the same. So if you notice over here in your dinette kitchen area, we kept the storage up above here, so you can put some other things you need to get to a little bit easier in those shelves, and all the way around. So as you're looking through this, are big things that we really came out with on this Luxe Gold product. First and foremost was their construction with the block foam. Secondly is that attic storage up above. Gives all types of possibilities on what you can put, especially for our full-time customers out there who are always asking for us for more storage. Great news, you've got it. So, but we can start right over here in this little area right here. There's a couple different options. This one has the buffet table. Great little option. This comes out when you need it to. It has you can get some extra seats, so you can actually seat 4 people very comfortably. Have a nice little spot for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We've coupled this. This is really cool. This is you'll see our beachfront wood throughout. That's the white wood you see without. That's an option in this unit. And we've coupled that with some Brazilian woods as well to kind of warm it up a little bit. And these Brazilians really show well. You'll notice the Brazilian hardwood fascia. Everything we have in here is hardwood. There's no vinyl wrap styles. There's nothing like that. Everything in here is certainly hardwood. So we have a Brazilian fascia on here. We couple that and match that very nicely with a Brazilian buffet that really complements the beachfront wood that we have throughout all the white wood. Really gives it a nice look in here. It's very bright. We hear that on a consistent basis from our customers, that everything's really so bright in here. We love that fact. Move over here. There's a couple different options you can do in this. These are just rocker recliners we've put in here. Some customers want a love seat, and we can do that as well. But this area, rocker recliner. If you notice up here, we do all of our valances right here in house. We make sure that they complement the unit nicely. They do a nice job of the trifold as well as the curtains. But really easy, really bright in here too. So we got the light switches that are very accommodating and easy to get to. If you notice all the lights we've put up here underneath the cabinet as well, the lighting up here, want to make it as nice and bright and cheery as we could within this spot. And as we look up and we look above, certainly the same types of things. We have the Whisper Quiet ACs in here, true HVAC type of heating and cooling. So we make sure that it's dual zone. So there is truly 2 different temperature zones that you can control within this from the air conditioning components. If you look in this floor down below, it's once again hand-laid tile that we do in these. A couple different options around that, what you can choose from as far as what you might like better. This is actually an upgraded flooring from Shaw that wears very well. It's very quiet underfoot. It's nice and easy to clean, and then if you have any problems with it, you take one tile up, you lay another one down. It's great. As you noticed over here, we have the fireplace that we had going. Our TV that's right here, everything, like I said, once again, we have the LG appliances in here. So the TV right here, the good news with this TV is, once again, we were thinking storage. So certainly we've put the storage behind the TV as well. Great place for movies, all types of things, certainly that would be readily available to gaming systems, things like that you could put and want close to your TV. But once again, just thinking outside the box, trying to make sure that we use every square inch we can for purpose as well as function. LG soundbar comes standard in all of our units as well, so it gives you a nice sound throughout the coach. But as you can go through here and just look at the depth of storage within our cabinets, these certainly aren't just to look nice. They're there to perform a service, and certainly if you walk all the way back there, as much room as we can get, we certainly try to make sure that happens. The LED lighting above, LED lighting throughout. As we come over to, once again, our kitchen pantry area, this unit, this 38 GLS, is a great pantry for all of your canned goods and everything you need in the kitchen. As always, it's solid wood doors, dovetail construction. We mount all the hardware underneath to give as much room for the drawers possible, and of course the soft close feature as well, so that gives it a real nice look. This beachfront wood, very popular for us since it's light. We have a nice crackle glass here that gives us some backlit as well to give it a nice look on the outside. But as we come into the excuse me, the kitchen area, solid surface countertops throughout. A couple different options as far as the stove and ovens are concerned, so certainly you can go through all that with the sales reps as well. But you'll notice over here we have the beachfront, that white wood. We coupled the island, again, we did that Brazilian, which really kind of gives it some definition. It shows well. Down here we do have a dishwasher in the event that that's something that you're interested in. Certainly can put dishwasher in. If you look over here, we a double basin sink. A lot of people like that option. Wash over here, dry over there, or prepare food differently. But also when you're not using the sink, you've got the option to put these lids right back on and use the whole thing for countertops. So tons of countertop surface in this unit right here. This whole island becomes a countertop. This space over here, this whole vanity in front of the kitchen here becomes usable countertop space for preparing food, things like that. So we always are trying to think about those things. And then once again, a lot more usable cupboards and cabinets, very deep. Make sure that you can fit nice big bowls and plates, cups, glasses, anything like that you may need. Definitely some good size drawers over here as well. So this unit right here certainly is a great living space. As you can see, this wall on the back side of it is a staircase up and around. One of the things that's really nice with 38 GLS is that separation. Like I said, from our customers, we hear it often, is the separation between the living and kitchen area and up into the bedroom and bathroom. So it's a nice spot to entertain if you don't, or you're having guests over, and to separate, if they don't want them going in your bedroom and things like that. The other good thing with this model on our GLS is the control board up here. It's ASA's in-command system. So it's all electronic and runs your slide outs, your lights, all of the power sources that you would need are ran right here with this. So it's nice and easy to use, clearly lit up. It's very easy to take your front awnings in and out, for example, or your living room slide in or out. Everything's labeled very nicely, and it's performed and works great for us. So as we come around the corner here, you'll notice we're going to take a couple steps up. So we're in the kitchen and living area. You're going to come up the stairs here. As you can see, we've got a couple more storage areas for you. Put your coats in either one of these, guest coats, whatever you want to put. Anywhere we can find a little bit of cabinet space, we certainly did that over here too. We coupled this one with the crackle glass, gives it a great look, as well as the function. You may want to put some things up there. On our 38 GLS, like I said, this now has the separation of the living and kitchen area as you're coming up around the staircase. Right over here is the bathroom, and then the bathroom over here is very nice, very spacious. You'll see, again, a lot of cabinetry as far as cupboards and cabinets to make sure, even right here, some towels, maybe some toiletries, things like that. You've got two nice big sized drawers over here in our 38 GLS. Again, solid wood drawers, the undermount as far as the hardware is concerned to give us more space. Shower, nice big shower, one-piece seamless fiberglass shower. I'm probably a little under 6 foot, and I have plenty of room to shower and be comfortable within inside the confines here of the bathroom. So very nice and easy to use. If we come over here, once again, solid surface countertops with a one-piece seamless bowl. This is a great look, easy to clean, with the waterfall sink. Gives it a great look in here in the bathroom when you're getting ready or doing whatever you do. Again, we put some more storage behind the mirrors, understanding that storage is king. So great bathroom area, certainly plenty of room. I'm not cramped, I'm not stressed in here. You've got your toilet here, some more storage actually behind that. So as we come out and about in the hallway back, before we go in the bedroom, this is a great area for your wardrobe. So all the things that you weren't going to be able to put in the storage out there, here you go. Nice big closet, plenty of open space, lit, and you'll be able to see everything. Again, solid surface doors, styles. Once again, the fascia even around this with the nice inserts that kind of give it that nice look. It's all here for us. We come down the hallway again, walk into the bedroom, and you're meeting with our king-size bed that comes standard. Certainly, if you wanted to do a queen, you can. Maybe make a bigger countertop or a bigger nightstand there. You can do that as well. But as we come around the side here, again, your own heating, your own cooling in here as well. So it's a dual zone. You got your own cooling in here. But if you look over here, standard 32-inch TV, you got a lot of cabinets in here as well. Everywhere, like I said, we can try to think of something. We certainly have that. They're nice and deep, even in here. We have the backlit above the cabinets as well to give us a nice look. We've got some more cabinets down here that really kind of polish off the inside of this coach to give it the exact look what you're looking for. And then over here, this is going to be your front closet. This is actually where the washer and dryer go. They would go on separate sides. So washer over here, dryer over here. Do your laundry right here. You're not having to do your laundry out in the hallway or anything like that. So it's up here in the front. Again, you can hang your clothes. Some clothes back here. We have the shoe rack back here as well. Everything, as you can see, is finished off in solid wood. Some really nice doors right here when you don't want that to be shown. You can close this off. We couple it again with the crackle glass backlit. Really gives it a nice pop in here. So beachfront all around as well. In this area, we use the beachfront fascia. This beachfront, like I said, really makes it light in here. And we've got a lot of feedback on it. But this is what we're really excited about. So the Luxe Gold product we're bringing to market. This is the 38 GLS. All the features we just showed you are going to come on this coach. In regards to the overhead attic storage is going to be standard. The 3-inch graphite infused block foam vacuum bond laminated sidewall, absolutely standard. Tons of storage throughout. Great living space. We have a couple of other floor plans, bath and a half floor plan within the Luxe Gold that we've introduced. We've got another one that's going to have a mid bunk. So a lot of options within our Luxe Gold product. And this one comes in as far as our more entry level coach. Versus what we have on our Luxe Elite. A great product and great complement to what we already offer. So please, if you've got any more questions, I know I've given you just a brief tutorial of our Luxe Gold product, the 38 GLS. If you have any more questions, give us a call or reach out to us on our website. And any questions, like I said, the sales staff will be happy to go through it with you. And as always, I thank you for watching, and we look forward to giving you the ultimate buying experience.